In today's video, I'm talking about how to create a YouTube thumbnail that grabs attention and gets more clicks. Whether you're just starting your channel or looking to improve your video thumbnails, this guide will help you design eye-catching thumbnails easily. First, choose the photo for your video. Then use the CapCut software for make a video. After, use the YouTube short screen size. Finally, downloaded the video. Go to your channel and upload the short. Publish video. Log into channel using the phone. Click Edit. Then click Pin icon. Show this page. Choose the short thumbnail image. Refresh page. Now you can know about make your own short thumbnail.